Welcome, 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 welcome to Sacred Key. I had a delicious practice this morning. I'm kind of still in the zone here. Today we are in our continuing process of Ramadan and my way, I should say, that my guidance has asked me to pour love. So that's what we are doing from now until May 11th. So thank you for joining me. I am Mercedes Warwick with Sacred Key. We are actually broadcasting this live in the group Be Before I Do. And I don't know if I'm going to be here every day, but for right now, we'll just go. I'm hoping that you will be enjoying a process of pouring love into ourselves, into our communities, into our families, into loved ones, into people who we do not even know, in places that we have never been. So let's get started. Namaste. Thank you so much for being here. Hands together in prayer position, and then taking your thumbs and just placing it over your heart. And at any time, as we're doing these hand positions that I'll be calling out, just relax be relaxed, be enjoyment. And if you'd like to just rest your hands lightly on your chest or on your thighs, whatever is comfortable for you, that is the most important thing. So let's get started. Just feeling the breath flowing in and out. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Remembering breath. And taking a couple sighs of release, breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Just getting centered into this moment. And being in our in frequency meditation, contemplation. As I breathe in, love. As I exhale, I. As I breathe in, love. Exhale, I am. As I breathe in, love. As I exhale, I. As I breathe in, love. Exhale, I am. As I breathe in, I am. As I breathe out, love. As I breathe in, I am. Exhale. As I breathe in, I am. As I breathe out, love. As I breathe in, I am. Exhale. As I breathe in, love. As I breathe out, I am. As I breathe in, love. Exhale. As I breathe in, love. As I breathe out, I am. As I breathe in, love. Exhale. Rest in here for a moment. Opening your hands like you're holding a precious sparrow, receiving the energy of the divine. As I breathe in, I receive love. As I breathe out, I flow love. As I breathe in, I receive love. As I As I exhale, I am love. As I receive love, breathe in, breathe out, I am love. As I breathe in, I receive love. As I breathe out, I flow love. As I breathe in, I receive love. As I breathe out, I am love. As I breathe in, I receive love. I am. And just putting your hands over your heart. As I breathe in, I receive love. As I breathe out, I am love. As I breathe in, I receive love. I am. Imagining this flow of love frequency is now moving throughout your body, nourishing you. As I receive love, I transform through love. As I receive love, I am. Just feeling the transformation flowing through your body, the loving energy, bringing you exactly what the divine has for you today. Filling up. Call this filling up from the reservoir. Imagining that love is pouring into you, that you have become harmonized and in sync with love as a frequency. Feeling it moving throughout your body, nourishing and feeding you, providing, supporting, informing you, bringing you wisdom and knowing and know-how. All these wonderful bathing in the frequency of love, knowing that when any two forces come together, it creates a unique third energy. This divine quality, this third energy, is the power of the force of self-sufficiency and grace and compassion and care, nurturing. Just resting here for a moment. Allowing love to be the flow of life force within you. And now, releasing your hands and just allowing the love now to radiate, and you can be the centrifugal force of love into your family. Bring up your sisters and brothers, your parents, mother and father. Even if they're in the ancestral realm, they're telling me your neighbors, your cousins. It's bringing that love, circulating love. It's interesting. My guidance just flashed like all of these vortexes of love that we're creating right now are becoming wider and wider, and imagining them touching each other. So we sort of become this big vortex of energy, this centrifugal force. That's the word they're using right now. The centrifugal force of love. Okay, now just bringing your hands back together for a moment and breathing in through the nose and out through the nose and just feeling the vibration. Now we're going to pour love into the divine. And I love doing this because I have received love that somebody has poured into the universe. This has been a great blessing in my life to just feel the love that somebody is sending. They actually sent me on a walk one day and I found a whole group of people that are really loving and caring and made a real big difference in my life when I really needed it. So I always imagine that as I'm pouring love into the divine, into the universe, into source, that whoever needs it at the exact right moment, at the exact right time, is going to pick it up and be blessed by it. Hmm. As we circulate love, we know that what goes around comes around. We just circulate it with no expectation, just being in this wonderful wave, pouring love. Feel any tension in your body, just breathing it out through the sigh of release. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. And in through the nose and out through the mouth, sigh of relief. Stay into this continuum. Oh, no, no, they're showing me the exact words that came were the continuum of evergreen. Hmm, evergreen. Okay. Just slowly bringing this centrifugal force, the vortex of love, bringing it closer and closer, and you are at its core, bringing your knowingness, your beingness, your breath, your existence in this moment back into yourself, imagining this vortex of love now, just becoming your core, connected through heaven and earth, pouring that vortex now down into the earth and watching it spread and nourish nature, and then continuing down Anchoring this vortex right into your personal, we call it Ononiyeshkina, the middle passage, your passage that you are the conduit between heaven and the conduit between heaven and earth. So we're not releasing this energy, we are anchoring it in. It becomes part of our vitality. And now just taking a deep breath in and releasing the connection. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing in, exhaling, slowly opening your eyes. Breathing in, exhaling, and slowly opening your eyes. Oh, no, 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 I am a vortex of love. I am a vortex of love. Namaste. I am complete. So be this done.